Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Triza, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much guys for subscribing. In today's video, I have visited my Togolese cousin and she's going to show us how to cook some Togolese food. So today we are going to make some peanut stew mixed with sesame and we are going to eat it with fufu. Enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to watch till the very end and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, let's go.
Come with us as we go to buy the ingredients that we are going to use to cook the meal today. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video because the meal was so good. It was so delicious and my cousin is a very good cook. The prices of the yams depend on the size you want. So the ones which are very close to the camera are 2,800. The other ones next to them are 3,000 and the other ones are 4,000. So it all depends with the size you want, but we got these ones for 2,800 and my cousin really bargained and we got them for 2,500 sefa.
Olo, bafana bona ngesomo sikakanye somwena ngiphatana. Yena. Ya, ya terus. Matri. Yung bogor.
We are now back home and inside this blender we have added onions, we have also added garlic and a mixture of seasonings. We are adding some water so that it can easy to blend, and I'm telling you guys, this blender is so powerful. You can grind anything or blend anything with it. This is 1 kilogram of meat and it costs 3,500 CFA because it doesn't have bones. So inside we have added cube seasoning and a bit of salt and the mixture that we blended. So we will mix it together nicely and then we will leave it for some time before putting it on fire. So we bought peanut. This one is peanut. This one is peanut. This is sesame. We call it busi. And then this one is pepper. But we are not going, of course, we are not going to use all of it because the peanut was 200. That's like 40 Kenya shillings. And then the sesame was 50 Kenya shillings. That's like 250. And the pepper was 200. After the meat had marinated for quite some time, we put it on fire and this is the beef cooking. As the meat is cooking, we will now peel the yams. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to roast the sesame or the egusi or the gosi. So we are going to roast it, and as you will see later in the video, it will double in size and then it will be easy for us to grind it or to blend it in the blender. We've added the peanut inside the pot and we have added some water inside and it is cooking, and we are going to mix it until it all dissolves inside. There are some people who prefer mixing it with the hand before putting it on fire, but today we are going to cook it in this manner. Different people have different ways of cooking it. After all the peanut has dissolved, we have now added in the sesame or the egusi we blended. We are now adding in the broth we have gotten from the beef we had boiled earlier on. Our stew is now ready, guys, and I can tell you it was so yummy. The yams are ready too. We just boil them inside water, and next we are going to pound them. You can use a pistol and a mortar to do it, or you can use the machine which is called Fufu mix, which is used to mix the fufu. And finally, guys, our meal is ready. It was so yummy. I haven't had such a good meal in such a long time. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till the very end. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate your support. I don't take it for granted. Until the next one, guys, bye.